Today, you will learn how to remove text box border in Word. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. When you insert a text box in Word, it automatically comes with a border around it. Sometimes that border does not look good. Maybe you want the text to look like normal text without any box around it. Let's fix that. First, open your Word document. Now, click on the text box that has the border you want to remove. Make sure you click directly on the edge of the box so it becomes selected. You will see small circles around it. That means it is selected. After selecting the text box, look at the top of your screen. You will see a new tab called Shape Format. If you don't see the Shape Format tab, make sure the text box is selected. Click on Shape Format. Now look for the section called Shape Styles. Inside this section, you will see an option called Shape Outline. Click on the small arrow next to Shape Outline. A menu will open. You will see different colors and options. To remove the border completely, click on No Outline. And just like that, the border around your text box will disappear. If you want to move or resize the text box later, don't worry. Just click anywhere inside the text area. You will see a dotted line appear around it. That dotted line helps you see the edges so you can adjust the size or position easily, but it will not show when you print the document. That's it. Very simple. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who is learning Microsoft Word. See you in the next easy tutorial.